If you've ever wondered how to add a Namecheap domain in GetResponse, you're in the right place. In this quick explainer, I'm going to walk you through the process step by step, so you'll be up and running in no time. Stick around till the end, though, because I'm going to show you not only how to do this with GetResponse, but also give you an exclusive look at a better option for achieving your email marketing goals. So, first things first, to add your Namecheap domain to GetResponse, you'll need to make sure that you have access to both your GetResponse account and your Namecheap account. Let's start with logging into GetResponse and heading over to your settings. In GetResponse, you'll find a domain section under Account Settings, which you can access through the top menu. Next thing, once you're in your GetResponse account, look for the Domains section and click on Manage Domains. You'll find the option to add a new domain here. Now, this is where it gets crucial. You want to make sure you're adding the right domain, and this is where Namecheap comes in. The fourth thing you'll need to do is log into your Namecheap account. From there, you'll go to the Domain List section, where you'll see all the domains you've registered. Find the domain that you want to use with GetResponse and click on Manage next to it. Next, you'll need to update the DNS settings for your domain. This step is key because GetResponse will ask you to point your domain's DNS to their servers. In Namecheap, go to the DNS settings for your chosen domain and choose Custom DNS. You'll need to add the specific DNS records provided by GetResponse into the section. After you've added the records, save your changes in Namecheap, but don't worry if it doesn't show up immediately. DNS changes can take up to 24 hours to fully propagate, so be patient. Now, back to GetResponse. After you've updated your DNS settings, return to your GetResponse account and click on Verify next to the domain you just added. If everything was done correctly, GetResponse will verify your domain and you'll be ready to start sending emails using that domain. But here's the thing, GetResponse is not always the best option for everyone. It can be a little tricky for beginners, and its interface might feel a bit outdated compared to newer competitors. Plus, the email deliverability isn't always as reliable as it could be. If you're looking for a more user-friendly experience and better performance, I highly recommend you check out my top alternative, which I'll talk about in just a second. Here's the deal. By clicking on the link in the description, you'll get an exclusive and extended free trial to that alternative software, one that's better for handling email campaigns with ease. It also comes with some amazing benefits that are only available to our viewers. So, if you're tired of dealing with the limitations of GetResponse, make sure to check out the link for this awesome alternative. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.